Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use the word would in sentences. When we think about something that cannot be real, we often use the word would in the sentence. For example, I would apologize to him, but he said he never wants to talk to me again. So if I can't talk to that person, I can't apologize. So this cannot be real, but I would apologize to him. Another example, Tim would propose to Amy if he got the chance. So perhaps Amy already has a boyfriend. So this proposal cannot be real, but it's something that Tim would do. When we think about something in the past that was not true, we use the words would have in the sentence. So have a look at the sentence example. I would have apologized to him, but he left immediately after the argument. Okay, so this is something that I'm thinking about in the past that's not true. So it didn't happen, but I would have apologized to him. Another example, I would have attended your party last night, but I was sick with flu. So this is something that happened in the past. I would have done it. When we make sentences with if, we can use would as well. Have a look at the sentence example. I would apologize to him if he gave me a chance to speak. So you would do something if something else happened. Let's have a look at another example. I would move to Japan if I spoke Japanese. So I would move to Japan if I spoke Japanese. When we talk about something that happened often in the past, we also use would. Have a look at the sentence example. When we were growing up, he would always walk away before I could apologize. So it is something that happened often in the past. Let's have a look at the last example. When I was young, I would play hide and seek with my friends. So the word would tells me that it happened often in the past. Excellent job using the word would in sentences. Well done. Goodbye.